I'm here this morning at the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort and getting ready to hit the Dragon. That should be a fun morning. Ladies are getting air on the Mini. So we are at Fontana Village eating lunch. We just have been riding our bikes. So amazing food here, really good. Highly recommend if you're in the area near the Dragon. This is just down 28. If anything on this trip, I've been so impressed with the food that we've had in the past 2 days in the mountains. You wouldn't think it. But really, it's been a lot of fun, and we're headed back up 28. We're gonna go ride the Dragon.
So I am going to get on a 2-up with my husband and do one run on the Dragon with him while I record everybody and get some fun footage. But the other main reason is that I wanted to lend my Z900 to Sarah and let her ride it around and see what she thought of it. All right, so here we go. Let's have some fun.
On the Dragon. We tried to hit it early before it got busy, but as you'll see in a minute, it's already starting to get pretty busy. But we had a really nice run through here, pretty clean, no cops out yet, and so it was just a nice cruise. We're kind of going through for a cruise, and so we're gonna make a few more runs and go from there. This is the Dragon Overlook, and so it's one of the most scenic spots on the Dragon. There's a big pull-off so people can hang out and enjoy the view. So we're gonna go hit it.
Z125.
Oh, hell yeah. Once I started getting comfortable on it, it was starting to get fun. Yeah.
Very nice.
Super fast, super smooth. For a Z anyways.
You were hauling on it. I mean, we had horsepower, but you know, you'd catch up really quick. You were right there, like a couple corners behind, so nice job, girl.
Thanks.
I gotta admit, the Z125 is probably the most fun I ever have on the Dragon ride.
So I'm here at Deal's Gap Motorcycle Resort at the famous Tree of Shame. You can see behind me, it is littered with hundreds of motorcycle pieces, ranging from everything from fairings to mirrors, lights, what have you not. And it's actually a tradition that if and when you crash on the Dragon, to leave a part here on the Tree of Shame, otherwise it's bad juju. Knock on wood, I have not left a piece yet. That might happen one day, but I hope not. I recognize a few people's fairings on there. But so definitely a very cool and interesting landmark.
To my left here is Chilhowie Lake, and there's some beautiful scenery here. It's when you cross over Deal's Gap and are headed towards the Foothills Parkway, you will be passing this on the left. Just gorgeous.
So we just got off the 129 or Deal's Gap, the Dragon's Tail, and we have taken a right onto the Foothills Parkway. So we're going to be taking you on that route all the way past Townsend into Weirs Valley. Foothills Parkway has been around for a very long time, but there is a new section at the end, which is gorgeous scenery. So I can't wait to show that to you guys.